Hey everybody, welcome to GleanQuote. Whether you've just started a free trial or you're already in a subscription, the fastest way to see how GleanQuote works is to use our Quick Start. When you first log in, the Help Center is already loaded. If it's not, go ahead and click the green Help button and click the Quick Start menu. From there, the only thing you need to do is choose a template and click Create Proposal. Let's go ahead and choose one of the basic ones, IT Services. It's going to use the data that you put in for your trial, your email address and company name, just so we can see how the proposal process works. Then click Create Proposal. Now that we've created the proposal, since we started with the IT Services template, everything's preloaded. There's professional images, a video that can play directly inside the browser, and a full quote table. The only thing the sales rep might need to do is to go in and edit the quote. Since we started with a pre-built template, there's already a few services listed on the proposal. The C lets us know that we need to configure one of these services. There's a default of 2 already selected. We can go ahead and select a couple more. And notice that the pricing is automatically calculated based on those services we selected. And if we need any more information to help the customer with these services, a sales tip has been added that has everything from a brief description of the services, why we're number 1 in these services, and if we need more information, links to some videos. Now that we've made a couple of configuration changes, you might want to change a price, add a discount, or change a quantity, or add a new product. Let's go ahead and click Advanced Search at the top, which loads the product GPS Guided Product Selection System. It's a great way to drill down and filter any product or service you have in your database. We'll show you a little bit more on how to customize that later. For now, let's choose one of the basics already added, Big Widget, and add it to the quote, and go ahead and change the quantity. From here, our quote is ready to go and send to the customer. Let's just preview and make sure everything looks good. You can click the preview button, which allows you to see the proposal exactly how your customer will see it when you send it to them. Everything looks good. The last thing we need to do is add a recipient. Go ahead and click the signature field line. Let's go ahead and add the recipient. Click Done and click Send. From the Send modal, you can add a message to your customer. You can add an expiration date. Let's make this expire in 20 days and send not only yourself, but your customer a reminder. Let's say every 3 days. You can even attach different files if you need them as resources for the customer. Let's go ahead and send the proposal now. Your customer will receive an email notification where all they need to do is open the proposal using the orange button, or they can download the PDF from here. Let's go ahead and open the proposal. This loads in the reader deal space where the customer can view the proposal, download a PDF. Any attachments that you included would be shown here. They can even watch the video that you embedded. And lastly, they can go ahead and click Next to e-sign the proposal. Click Accept and Sign, and Finish and Submit. Once submitted, all of the activity is pushed back into GleanQuote, where we track everything from when the proposal was created, sent, viewed, and completed. And we save off the full completed PDF for yours or your customer's records. So that's how easy it is to use the Quick Start to get going with GleanQuote. If you have any further questions, go back to the Help Center, and there's a variety of different articles and videos to get you going, or you can ask for help by submitting a demo request. When you're ready to start your subscription, or if you just want to test out different plans, you can go to the upper right-hand cog, click Change Plan at any time during your trial, and test out the different plans, whether that's Enterprise, Pro, or the Plus version. And if you need a little more information, the pricing page on our website breaks down each feature in each plan so you can determine which one is best for you. Or again, request a demo and we're more than happy to walk you through the process and help you choose the right plan. Welcome to GleanQuote.